Hi guys, this is David. I'm back again to make another video. We have, right now we're at the Bergen Makerspace, and I'm here with this guy, and he has this interesting, amazing printer. He's going to tell you all about it. So go ahead.
All right, well, my name is Alan Zenreich, and this is a Delta printer, Delta style printer. It's called an Eris from a company called SeeMeCNC, and here I'm printing it with wood filament, and it's about 30 or 40% wood. And in this particular case, it's being printed in spiral mode, so it only has one continuous spiral going around and around and around. So it's only about half a millimeter thick.
This is the filament? Is that what it uses to make
the filament? Yeah, the filament is on the roll here.
Oh, okay.
And it's a mixture of wood and resin. And you could think of it as sort of micro-segmented approach, where you're taking a piece of sawdust and you're gluing it to another piece of sawdust, and you're gluing it to another piece of sawdust, and then working your way up the bowl. And we actually use these as a stand for spheres and some other things that we turn out of wood on our lathe. So Delta printers are a little unusual compared to most 3D printers, and the fact that they're unusual is what I like about them, because I like kind of weird stuff.
How did you get into this? How did you realize you wanted this printer? I know there's a whole bit different types of printers out there. And
I started with a small Cartesian printer, and it had problems with its hot end. And while I was waiting for parts for that, I decided to build a printer, which is this printer just to your left here. And I built that one last year. And when I saw that the company, this one was a kit. When I saw that the company was ready to release this one, I happened to be the first paying customer for the little Delta, and the Eris is ready to print. You don't have to assemble it; you take it out of the box and you can print. So I thought for the Makerspace today, I would be showing wood filament printing in spiral mode on a small Delta printer, on this one here, and on the other one, just last week I added some features to it so that it will print in dual filament. So this has a model that I downloaded from Thingiverse, a little frog. And so what this has is up on top here, you'll see there are two extruders, and one extruder is feeding the red filament, the other extruder will feed the blue filament. They're coming down through these Bowden tubes here, and you can see in here that the red filament is printing, and when it finishes printing this red filament for the layer, it will actually withdraw the red filament and insert the blue filament, and then it will go around to, there's a little priming pillar, a little square pillar there. Now you can see it's going to withdraw the red and now inserts the blue and jumps over to the priming tower. So what it's going to do is now purge the little bit of blue filament that's a little bit of red filament that's in there, and replace it with the blue filament, and then it will just continue its printing.
Well, thanks very much, and we'll start with part 2 in a couple of minutes. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.